Returning a skull candy order is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can return a skull candy order. So for that you have to be at your Google, and there you have to search for skull candy, and then you have to go to their home website, which is skullcandy.com. Now here you simply have to click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, they will want you to log in. Now after logging in, you simply have to go to return item, which should be right here on the support. So here I'm just going to go to help center, and it will take me to a new page. Now in this page I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on this returns. Now after going for returns, you just have to scroll down, and then you have to click on this returns and refunds. Now here I'm just gonna click on this. Click here to see the status of your return, or to submit a return request. You just have to click on that, and there you go. You have to enter your details, like your order number, your email address, and zip code, in order to file a return right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.